For a stuck lug nut, there is no need for an extension breaker bar, although it should help. And forget that expensive torque multiplier. Next time you get a flat on the road and you're stuck with one or two lug nuts that refuse to come loose, try this method. By the way, this also works for wheel hubs that are stuck to the axle after you have all the nuts off. If you have only one stuck nut, add another nut on the wheel, but keep it loose this one. Now with two bolts on, lower the car off its jack stand and drive the car back and forth a short distance. If it still doesn't come loose, do the same, only this time make sharp, hard turns. Thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you can. Visit us at larryandjane.com and check out my latest book, Presidential Treason of Three Stooges, from Amazon. Thank you again.